Alright, here's how you replace a trunk latch on the Genesis Coupe. I'm assuming this is probably from 2010 all the way through 2016. I think they're all the same. My trunk latch stopped opening and closing, and then at one point I went over a bump and it slammed my trunk shut, and then I couldn't get it open at all. And I had to crawl in through my back seats, and I was here with a screwdriver, and I had to basically move this tooth here in order just to get my trunk to reopen again. So you might have to do that. If not, and your trunk just won't close and you can open it with your hand, you're lucky. And what you need to do is order a new trunk latch as soon as you can. I got this one for like 30 bucks on Amazon. I don't remember the name or the link, but they're all about the same. So we're replacing this up here. It's super easy. So all you have to do is open your trunk. First thing is you'll have this little black plastic pin that is here. You need 2 flathead screwdrivers to pry it out, get under it on both sides, and then pull it out. And you might break it. Try not to. Be really careful. So then, that'll get that black plastic clip. Then you want to remove these 2 little screws. They're Phillips head screws from under here. Oh, and first you need to, with a little tiny flathead, pop this open. There's a little cutout where you can pop this open, and then you'll see where the 2 flathead screws, Phillips head screws are. Unscrew those, and there's that. Lastly, you need to just pull the cover down off of these rubber grommets or rubber, I don't know what you want to call them, pucks. Pull it down and pull this over the latch. And finally, with a 10 millimeter, there's 2 bolts that are actually holding the latch in place. So it's this one where the ring is, and then here's the other one right there. And then, and the connector, don't forget the connector. You just push the button, pull it down, remove those 2 bolts, and then you can take the whole thing off, put your new one on with the new bolts. Oh, and don't forget to move the glow-in-the-dark. See the glow-in-the-dark plastic piece? It just slides on and off with, lift that tab up and you can get it off. So my new latch that I ordered on Amazon doesn't come with it, so you have to transfer it over. So just remember to see down here, that's where it goes. So just transfer over that glow-in-the-dark plastic clip, bolt it up, and do the reverse steps, and you're good to go.